Welcome to this week's session with the Putnam County District Library and the Guiding Ohio Online Grant. This week we're going to take a look at a tool that's available on the web that's called Flippity. And Flippity can easily turn any Google spreadsheet into a flashcards, badge creator, spelling quiz, memory game, word search, and a lot more. This is actually a tool that's meant and was created for teachers to use. However, here in this with summertime, it could be a good tool for parents. It actually is something that is very easy to use, and that you could actually have students and your own children create their own creations using Flippity. So if you go to the website, flippity.net, what you have come up is you have all of these different templates that have been created and made using some of the latest games that are out there. Obviously, matching is one that is pretty standard that we've seen for a long time. Things like word scramble, crosswords, but you will notice there have been some others added as well, like the Wordle. That's one of the new things that are available. It's also a handy place to go just to if you need to make a quick type of a certificate, as well as any coach or anyone that might need to make brackets up. It's a very easy, quick way to go about doing that. So what you simply can do is you can click on the demo, and the demo is going to show you exactly what that will look like. I'm going to go back here, but if I go to the instructions, then what you see is you see items that have been entered in here. And then, but down below are the actual instructions where you can make a copy of the template, and then you can edit and publish. And then all of this, the one requirement is you would want to have a Google account. So if you do not have a Google account, you would have to make a Gmail account that you would have available to yourself then. So all I would simply do here is with this bracket, I could delete everything out, and I could put in my own teams. Let's just go in, and I'm going to make up some different, just put in different names here. Red, let's just see. And we'll make this be obviously very fictitious names here for my, but if I generate then a bracket, what you're going to see is here's my bracket that's available. I could simply print this out. I can save this to my Google account, and then I would have that available for me. I'm going to go back here one time here and go all the way back here to one of the others. If I go here to matching game, if I click on that to see the demo, you can see here when I click on this, this one's actually speaking to me. So if I go to my instructions, I can see how when I go down here to make a copy of this template, and I say make a copy, this is going to put this into my Google account. And what I can see here then is this is the terms, and this is the audio file that they had created. So if you really wanted to get complex with it, you could actually add sound to this. You could obviously just make it using the terms, in this case colors, for the actual matching game. So I'm going to go back one more time here just so that you can take a quick glance. The one thing I do want to make note of is up here at the top, this is purely advertising. So there's no need to click here on the sign up that it shows, because this will go through and have different items that pop up. All of your templates are available here below that you can choose from. So I hope you find this useful, and look forward to seeing you for our next tech tip.